Yeah. Go on. Plane crash. Turn off here. Plane crash that way. I'm heading all the way back to where we came from in Martin. This side is the Huggins Trail, going down to, what's the name of the park again? Huggins Salmon Park, near the Covine entrance. And we are heading this way, back out to Macqueripe. People, this is all your stop. Oh, it's just a monkey coming across the zip line. Not poor me, I good. I got energy still. Poor Adrian. This is the lower but more difficult trail. Finding a river source up inside the mountains. All the water. No, nothing on the ridge. So this is the source underneath this massive tree.
Yeah.